Hi, this is Kenneth. I would like to do some banking system in Java. So we'd like to open the Eclipse. Just wait a bit while opening the Eclipse. This was a kit for opening a Java. So we were creating a banking system here. Okay, we already opened it. Already create the banking account. So first of all, the name of our package is, already create a Java project, just one Java project, and make a banking system. The name of my bank is Queen Bank. Okay, so here we create the import java.io or input and output with the star to recognize all the data type or primitive or object in our Java. So we use throws IO exception to recognize an error, and put buffer reader in is equals to new buffer reader is new input stream reader system.in. So you will read all the primitives, data types, objects in the Java. So we put int user choice menu float balance of current type, saving types is equals to 0, int pin code is equals to 0, account number is equals to 0, account 2 encode, string name middle name is equals to null, last name is equals to null, name is equals to null, age is equals to null, address is equals to null, occupation equals to null, gender is equals to null. Null is a value that indicates an unset reference to nothing. You can see variables are containers with star inside, which you can put an object of a given type when the variable is null. It means your container is empty. That's the null is. After that, we create a do while statement. So system out in print line, first booking bank, create an account, number 1, number 2, deposit money, number 3, withdraw money, number 4, account details, and number 0 is exit. System out, print, and choose. That's the output. The user choice is integer, parse in that read line. Switch case, user choice. Use switch case in here. So case 1, if name is not equal to null and age is not equal to null and address is not equals to null, system out, you are already registered. Then continue. System out, enter account number is equals to integer that parse in read line. So after that, we create a system out in, enter pin code in line, and pin code is equals to integer that parse in that read line. System out print, enter first name is equals to read line, and system out print, and enter the middle name, and enter last name, enter age, enter gender, enter address, enter occupation. That you could see on the account details. After that, system out print line in minimum 1,000 for current and 500 for savings type of account. So if you press the 1, you choose current, or if you press the 2, you choose savings. The types is equals to float, that parse float in read line. If types s is equal to 1. Do type current minimum 1,000, system out in print line is amount. When you put an amount in here, current type is equals to float, that parse float in read line. So while current type is not equal to 999,099, and while current type is less than equal to 999.99, it will be an error. So balance plus is equals to current type. System out of print line, successful, current type added to your account here. So back to main menu. Do system out print line, go back to main menu, press and enter 0. So you will go back to the top. Then while menu is not equal to 0. So continue. Else if types is equal to 2. If you press the number 2 here, do system out print line type savings in minimum of 500 pesos. System out print line amount. Saving types is equals to float, parse float in that read line. So while savings type is less than 499,999, it will be an error on the savings type. So in the balance, plus is equal to saving types. System out print line successful in saving type added to your account. Do and go back to main menu. Enter, press 0. And else, the name is equals to null, age is equals to null, address equals to null, PIN code equals to 0, occupation equals to null, account number equals to 0. System out print line, press only 1 for current and 2 for savings. Types are accepted. But if you don't press 1 or 2, the account of your creating will be deleted. And back to main menu. So in case 2, float amount, it will in the case 2, the float amount. So if you press the number 2, it will be an error because you don't have an account yet. So the warning is please create an account first. So after creating account, then you press the 2, system out print line, enter account number of your registration and enter your PIN code. Then you can now store your money. Store money plus balance. System out that print amount to deposit amount is equals to float, parse float in that read line. If amount is less than is equals to 0, can't deposit insufficient amount. So go back to main menu. So we're now here in the case 3. Break means go back to the main menu. Case 3 will have a withdrawal money deposit. Withdraw money. So like in the case 2, if you don't have the account first, it will warning, please create account first. So you need to, if you already have account, enter your account number, enter your PIN code, and check your available amount and amount to withdraw. And withdrawal can't be complete if you withdraw less than or less than 500 if savings and 1,000 to current, and if you above your balance, it will be an error. It will go back to the main menu. And else balance is minus equals to amount. What I said. So, after that, if you withdraw an amount of value correctly, it will go back to the main menu and check your balance. So in your case 4, here in your case 4, it will bring your account details. Like, if you don't have an account, there's a warning, please create an account first. If you already have an account first, you will put your account number and PIN code, and the details will display in like your first name, middle name, last name, gender, age, address, and occupation, account type of your current or savings, and your balance. And pressing 0 is going back to your main menu, and go break and go back to the main menu. And if you press the 0, it will system out that print line equals goodbye, your valid choice. That was the program has to do. So we will run our program. This is now running, compiling our program. So display a Facebook Green Bank. 1 is creating account, deposit, withdraw money, account details, and exit. I'm gonna choose 1 to creating account. Enter account number. Any number will input is valid. So I'm gonna use my student number 2011 10 18 9. Enter PIN code of my birthday 0917 94. My first name is Kenneth, middle name is Sun, last name is Crespo, age is 24, my gender is male. Obviously I will live at 1000 A Rodriguez Street, San Antonio, Cavite City. My occupation would be, I'm a student na Cavite City. The minimum of 1,000 for current and 500 for savings type of account. I'm gonna choose savings account, so I'll press the number 2. Savings minimum of 500. I'm gonna put an amount of savings of 6,000. Hopefully 6,000 is added to my account. Go back to main menu. I'm gonna press 0. So I have now my account. So I wanna go to deposit account. So I'm gonna enter my account number 2011 1089. My pass, my PIN code is 091794. I have 6,000 stored. I'm gonna add more 60,000 pesos. Oh, I have a 66 money. 66,000 pesos in my bank balance. So, go back to main menu. Press 0. I'm gonna choose 3 to withdraw my money. I'm gonna enter again my account number 2011 1089. Enter 091794. I have 66,000. I'm gonna withdraw 6,500 pesos. So I have left 59,500. Press 0 to go back to my menu. And number 4 is account details. Account details, I'm gonna choose number 4. I'm gonna enter my account number 2011 1089. Enter 091794. Here it is. The display my record of my account details. Account name, PIN code, first name Kenneth, middle name, last name Vesco, gender male, age 24, 1,000 address, occupation student, account type is savings, my balance is 59,500. I now press 0 to go back to my menu. When I press 0, the program will be ended. Valid choice.
Hi, I'm Ken. Let's see if our program will work well. Okay. First, I will create an account. Enter account number 10609. Enter PIN code. In PIN code, you cannot put letters. Let's try. TY67. So, an error because I put letters T and Y. So, let's try again. I'll create an account. Choose enter account number 2015 609 10 609. Enter PIN code. First name. Middle name. Last name. Then enter age. Gender. Address. Then occupation student. The minimum of 1,000 for current and 500 for savings. Type of account. Press 1 if current or 2 for savings. Let's try 2. Okay. Let's try the current 1. Type current amount of 1,000. Let's try 700. So it said that type current minimum of 1,000, so it's wrong. So it's invalid because the minimum is 1,000 and I put 700. So let's try 1,200. Okay. So it's successfully added to my account. So successfully added. Let's back. And 0. And so I will withdraw in my account. Then enter account number 10 609. PIN code. Then avail amount if amount is 1 to amount of withdraw. Let's try to withdraw above 1,200. 1,500. So withdraw can't be completed because it's insufficient. Then I will withdraw again. Enter account number, PIN code. Then I will withdraw 1,000 pesos. So I withdraw the 1,000 pesos and in my account remaining is 200 pesos. Back to my menu. Now I will try to deposit money. To enter account number, 609. PIN code. That's 7,000. So my balance is updated. It becomes 7,200. Okay. Withdraw is done. So let's back again. And I will check my account details. Enter account number, PIN code. So my details here is saved. And there is no error. Okay, that's all. Thank you.